morning, everyone. We are talking to you from
Caitlin's name situation again.
Oh my god, did you hear my laugh?
Edith Falls. We're on the Sweetwater walking track up to the Waterhole.
And it is a 8.5 return hike.
Yes.
They said it's a medium to hard difficulty. So far we found it pretty good. The first
Rocky.
a little bit rocky, and the first 500 meters is uphill. But then after
Caitlin's favourite.
But then after that, it like chills out a lot, and the path is actually very clear. There's lots of markers to follow, and I'm loving it. It makes me want to go and do a big hike. But also, I'm not wearing a pack right now, so it's so...
Yeah, I'm the one wearing a pack. Classic. Well, this is part of the 60-kilometre end-to-end hike called the Jatbula Trail. So you can do a big overnight hike here, but it is super popular. And from what we've heard, thanks Katie and Simon for the nuggets of info there, is it books out like a year in advance. So, which is a bummer because we would have loved to have done it. So we're going to be in and around the area for the next couple of weeks, and we're going to keep an eye and see if there are any openings or cancellations. So, but the thing is, like, with the way the website's set up, it's not very easy to cancel or get a refund or anything. So there could be cancellations, and you just never know. So it might be one of those things where you have to call and see what the crack is on the times that you maybe want to do it. So anyway, we're doing the smaller hike today, 8.5 k's. We can end up at a swimming hole. Hopefully gonna have a swim. It's quite warm, 30 odd degrees again.
But there's a good breeze.
There is a good breeze, and it's quite shady so far. Like, we're walking through this type of scrub. It's come to a bit of a sandy path now. It's very rocky earlier.
Oh my gosh, I can see water.
Oh my gosh, every time she has that sharp intake of breath, I feel like something terrible has happened. Oh yeah, we are, check. There is, I think this is the Long Hole Lagoon. So there's a couple of lagoons here, we'll talk a bit about that later.
So this is about 2 k's in the front.
Yeah. So there's the camping area, day use area at the start, which we'll show you, and then there's one swimming hole. This is the second swimming hole, and then we're going to the third swimming hole. So the thought behind that is it is packed, it's school holidays, and there's a heap of people at that first swimming hole. So we figured the longer you walk, the less people are likely to be. So exciting ahead. And anyway, we'll see how this goes for now, and we'll get there and talk more about things.
Swimming hole.
My own mama kinda had her own ways. So divine.
That was good, wasn't it?
So good.
Look at this spot for a swim. Pretty much 4.5 k's on the nose. So I think this is going to be us for the next few hours. Wasn't too bad of a hike, eh?
Not at all.
Pretty cash. It's pretty busy here. So this is one of the overnight stops for the Jatbula Trail. So there's a few people back there in the campsite. There's looks like there's a toilet, decent sized campsite, and this, which just makes it right. Swim time, eh? Nice, ne?
Very nice.
Very relaxing. It's quite deep here, it's like a cliff. Can you see the rocks down there?
Barely.
It's so clear, like look how deep it is. Not as deep as I thought. Debatable.
Okay.
That was good.
God, I'm a bit nervous. Make sure you're not too far.
Okay. You'll be able to see it though, you'll be able to dive and get it. It's fine. It's just a bit of moss.
Okay, just do it like you did.
Yeah. Yeah. 3, 2, 1, go.
Go! Okay, ready, set, go!
That was a laugh, wasn't it?
On our way back, and we've stopped in at Long Hole Pool, which is about halfway, so we've still got another 2.5 kilometers to back to the car park.
This one's cool. This one's nice as well. A bit bigger a waterfall. We're not swimming though.
We've literally just put our shoes on from the last one, so we're going to keep going because there's another one that's about
2 k's from the car park.
No, it's like 2 k's now.
2 k's from here.
Yeah, it's probably more like a k from the car park.
No, it's 2 k.
Is it?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh. Okay, well we're gonna go there because we haven't been to that one, and
We'll swim on that one. Have a snack. It is 1:30, so we'll probably get there about 2:30. Hopefully the clouds, I was going to say the clouds, no clouds, the crowds will be clearing up by sort of 3ish.
Because then there's another swimming hole at the campsite, like near the campsite, like right next to the car park. It's like a 400 metre walk. No, not even that. It's like 120 metre walk, I think it said.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, it's like super close.
Oh, okay.
So we've got a few to look at. So we will see you guys at the next one.
We've just turned off onto the Leyland Trail to the upper pool. It's a lot busier already. You can hear the kids' their screams floating through the air, so I think we should have just stayed at that other pool for a little bit longer. Oh well, school holidays, so it's bound to be a bit busier. Yeah, let's do the look
70 metres.
Looks like the lookout on the other side's a bit better.
That down there is where the campsite is, and that's where you can go swimming.
Oh, that's another camp spot.
Yeah, like when you
Sorry,
in
the
car
other swimming
park.
spot. Yeah, so now we're eyeballing them from above, eh? Yeah, you can see that through there. Find it just maybe. See if you can get that. That's cool.
We've got to go down there. That looks cool because it's so big.
It's big.
Right.
Bridge. 8.6 k's done. Probably even end up hitting 10 k's.
I hope so. That'd be cool.
That'll be cool. Alright, it's warm though. What do you reckon? 30 odd degrees? Feels like it's got hotter since when we first started. Oh, you put your shirt back on.
Yeah, I did.
You should have put it around her legs.
My legs are burning.
Anyway, don't know if we're going to be able to film much if there's kids and other people hanging around, but we'll see what we can do, eh? We'll walk down there quickly and look out across that waterfall. That'd be pretty cool, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Let's do that. Talk to me.
It's been a beautiful day. In and out of the water. There's a beautiful breeze. It's a Thursday, I'm not working.
It's not a cloud in the sky.
Not a cloud in the sky.
What's been your favourite spot today so far?
The spot.
This spot?
Yeah,
That's
the spot.
cool.
There's so many different swimming holes connected.
It's like an amusement park, except natural.
Yes, that's what it is.
Yeah.
It's really cool.
Like a water park.
You can climb over like all the rocks. There's like multiple waterfalls, multiple pools, rock pools, deeper pools, arches. You know,
Ripples,
yeah.
water holes, blow holes. Get your mind out the gutter, you dirty girl.
Got it all.
Alright, now we are heading back towards the campsite. It's only about 1.5 k, 2k max. So, and that's going to end our little adventure into Edith Falls. Is this Edith Falls here, or is it down there? I think this is Edith Falls.
Yeah.
We're pretty terrible at knowing where we are, aren't we? We never check the maps. Yeah. See you in the next one.
Oh, that's good.
Good way to end.
These taste like... Do you remember that donut store, like a bit like Donut King, like Wendy's? Was it called Wendy's? And you get like big shakes from there. My pop used to take us there, and this
Tastes like that.